All right. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Um, I we were supposed to have this meeting last night. But network, of course, we're in Nigeria, we can't guarantee some things. Network disturbed too much, so we couldn't go on. I couldn't get things done. My network was just stressing me out. Sorry about that. I was very disappointed at the fact that I didn't show you this thing last night. I'm showing you this morning instead, but that is completely okay. The target is that at the end of the day, you realize some things and you start making a change. That's just the end point. That's what we want to achieve. We want you to see these things and make a good decision. All right, now. So I'll be showing us now. It's going to be a few minutes class. I'll make it as short as possible, at least 45 minutes. Don't be worried. You won't have to spend too long watching this video. I'll make it as brief as possible. All right. Thank you very much for your time. I won't take much of it. So let's begin. All right. So I'll be showing us something very simple. I'll be showing us a new way of making money in the internet. Now, it is just simple. How we can make good money with the internet. That's what this training is basically about. Very simple. How we can make money in the internet. When we talk of internet, yeah, of course, when we talk of internet, there are many ways of making money in the internet. Many, many ways. Like, I can't even name them. There's crypto, there's e-com, there's selling, there's affiliates and the rest. Just choose one. But in this video, this particular training, I want to show you one of the most powerful ways of making money on the internet. I will repeat, one of the most powerful ways of making money on the internet. The richest men in the world today are making money with this method. The richest men in the world today, like you talk of Jeff Bezos, you talk of Dangote, you talk of Bill Gates, talk of Elon Musk, with Mark Zuckerberg, all of them, they are making money with this method. So now, why are we not making money with this method? Because we don't know what this is. Like we don't, of course, we have an idea, we know it exists, but we don't know the underground root benefit. Like we don't know how things are done. We don't know what it is capable of. We don't know what it can do. So just relax and watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you everything that you need and how you can start making money on the internet. All right, so let's go. Now, it's very simple. How we can make good money with the internet. I'll just go slowly I'll just show you different slides, and each slide is bringing out a powerful point. So just follow me carefully as we go on. All right. So now let's go on now. What are the youth doing? Of course, that's one simple question I would like to ask us. What are the youth doing? The youth are doing many things. I'll use Nigeria as a case study. Of course, we are in Nigeria, so I have to focus on we here in Nigeria. What are we doing? That's the simple question I want to ask. What are we doing? Of course, many of us are not. We don't even have much money. That's just one problem we have in Nigeria. Many of us don't really have money. You see a youth of 25 years old, 30 years old, still doesn't even have up to 500k in his account. His net worth is not even up to 100k. That is not nice. It's not something we should be doing. It's not something that should be happening. With the power of the internet, these things shouldn't be happening. The youth, even some of us even try to impress others. We go a long way doing things just to impress those that don't even care. We just show off. We take school serious. No, I'm not trying to say we shouldn't take school serious. If I was to know what I know now before I started school, I would take school on a different note. Yeah, no, I know school. I'm not trying to bypass or push aside the importance of school. School is very important. Every one of us need to graduate as students. Every one of us needs to graduate as students. But now there's now something we need to think about. How many of us are releasing our certificate? Oh, I graduated with first class. That's your first class. Have you used it once? Now, leave that aside. Talking of school, the school will not teach you one thing. The school will never teach you how to make money. The school will never teach you how to go on the street and in 2 days you have made 50K. The school will never teach you that. The school will only teach you how to memorize some people's hypothesis, some people's formula, some people's some people what people have laid down in the past, in the old days when schools was still valid. Of course, back then in our parents' time, school was very, very valid. You graduate with first class and you will see a good job. Then the economy was good, things were cheap. You can buy something. You can hold 50K and buy something good with 50,000 naira in the market. But now 50K will buy you nothing in the market. It's what I bought with 50,000 naira. So no, things have changed. The value of 100K of that time, the value of 100K of our parents' time, our grandparents' time, is now equals to 1 million naira of now our time. I don't know if you get what I just said. If my dad, for example, my dad owed 100K back then in the 90s. If me hold 1 million naira, we are holding almost the same value of money. I don't know if you understand what I said. We are holding almost the same value of money. Things have changed, everything have changed, but the youth are not thinking of the fact that we need to change. We are still doing things the wrong way. We are going into Yahoo. Now, I'm not blaming you for doing Yahoo. I'm not blaming us. Of course, I'm not blaming us for doing Yahoo. It's just that we want quick money. We want quick money, and Yahoo can give us money. No. So that is just one thing about the youth. The youth don't want to grow something again. We don't want to water a plant and watch it grow and produce plenty fruits. We just want to plant that seed, and the seed will just come out just now, and then we have started eating mango. No, things have changed. Now, what should the youth be doing? That is that one question I should ask us now. What should the youth be doing? What should the youth be doing? The youth should be innovating. The world is changing. The youth should change with the world. The youth shouldn't be going backwards. We should be going forward. Things are changing. We shouldn't rely on G. We shouldn't rely on Yahoo. We should start a business. The youth should start making money now. The youth should start making money now. That is what the youth should be doing, literally speaking. Like on a simple note, what the youth should be doing is the youth should start making money. Now, when I talk of money, if you don't start making money at level 1, or okay, let me say you just got into university and you are to spend 5 years in school. Maybe you're a civil engineer and you are on a 5-year course. Now on level 1, you are still depending on mommy and daddy to send you school fees, to send you money, to send you this, to send you that. Or okay, now you have done to do Yahoo. Level 2, you are still depending on these things. Level 4, level 5, these things are still going on. Now you now graduate. Mommy and daddy know that they don't send you much money like that before again. They're not like telling you to go and do things yourself. Oh, okay, you now got into the NYC. Thank God NYC now came. Alawi was coming. 30,000 naira a month, 30K a month. Thank God, I think that won't be sustaining me. You'll be managing 30K a month. 30K cannot even do anything to you for yourself, but just manage the 30K a month. 5 months, 6 months, 9 months, it's almost a year. That Alawi will also stop coming. And when you stop coming, boom, that is the end. You receive your certificate and then you are back to the streets. Or you go and start POS, or you go and start one demeaning job that cannot even pay you 50K a month. Now, these things shouldn't be what the youth should be doing. What the youth should be doing now, we should start making money now. Now, when I say start making money now, I don't say start making quick money now. I mean, we should start growing our money now. Do you get me now? Now, I understand that in the 80s, in the 90s, it would take a person almost 50 years to become a millionaire. I don't know if you know that. Our parents of that time, before our grandparents will become a millionaire, if they start today, they will become a millionaire in around 20 to 50 years time. But do you know that now in this time, you can become a millionaire in 2 days? Let me not make it too unrealistic. As we go on, I'll make you understand these things better, so you know what I mean. The world is changing, but what are the youth doing? The youth are still behind. The youth have not gotten the innovation. The youth have too many things are coming up. So many innovations are growing. We need to plug ourselves into different areas. We need to plug ourselves into different areas and start making things happen. But no, we are not doing these things. We are still behind. And the next question here now is, why are they not doing it? Oh, that is just a simple question. Why are the youth not doing these things? Why are the youth not making money? Why are the youth not innovating? Why are the youth not trying to plug themselves into the upcoming industries in the world today? Yes, too many upcoming industries in the world today, but the youth don't even know about it. All we just care about is how to impress one person or the other, how to show off on Instagram and Facebook and WhatsApp status or whatever. What? Why are they not doing it? Why are the youth not changing? Because they don't know. Many of us don't know. Many of us have no idea. What many of us know is just how to go and start one handwork. Oh, I know how to barb hair. I'm just going to open one shop at the corner there in my street and start barbing hair, and maybe I can do that for 50 years, and maybe I'll be paying me small money. Oh, what of that? Let me go and open one computer store and be printing, be doing online payment for school. Let me go and just be opening, let me repairing phone. These are not what the youth should be doing. Of course, everybody can't be rich, but then this is what this why this these are one of the things stopping the youth from growing big, because we have programmed the society have programmed us to only be thinking small. The society have programmed us to be mediocre. The society have programmed us to be average, but we shouldn't be average. We shouldn't be so low. We lack knowledge, peer pressure, quick money. We want quick money. No, money can come quickly. You need to grow it. You will build yourself to manage that money. You will build yourself. There's the way you will build yourself that money will not be the one coming to you. As I talk to you now, I cannot need 100K today. For example, now I need to get 100K today. I will get that 100K in 2 days. I need 100K for a project now. What do? I can get that 100K in 2 days. Finish. That is just me. I'm telling you the truth. Why can I do that? Because I have built myself up. I have programmed myself not to be average, not to be mediocre, not to be low, to think big. I think the limit of a man is your mind. You can do what you think. You can only do what you can think. You can't do more than what you can think. So now these things are peer pressure. My friend just bought one motor. I want to go and buy my own motor. Then what you go and do your own? You are not, you are under the influence of the society. That's what we are under now. We are under the influence of a society. A boy of 20 years want to buy motor, want to buy Voltron. No. I'm not saying you should not buy motor, but instead of focusing on buying motor, focus on building yourself. Build yourself to the extent that you can buy 50 motor at once if you want. The money will be there. But if you're going to buy motor now, or you start following it, you start having so many issues, you start feeding yourself and feeding your motor, you can't buy fuel, this, that, women coming, you cannot concentrate. You are limiting yourself. You are distracting yourself from what you should be doing. That is just it. Now, I want to introduce the new way of making money on the internet. Just sit tight. Let me carry us through this journey. The new way of making money on the internet. Actually, it is not a new way, but to many of us, we find it new. It has been existing since our great grand, even since the beginning of time. It has been existing, the new way of making money, but many of us don't know. We have no idea. We lack knowledge. We don't know. That is just the problem we are facing now. Do you get me now? I will take us through this now. Sorry if I'm taking too much time. I'll be rounding up as soon as possible. Just flow with me to the end. The new way of making money on the internet. And what do I call it? I call it online marketing. Online marketing. What did I say? Online marketing. Online marketing is just one marvelous, one fabulous way of making money. You can't overemphasize the power of online marketing in the world today. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how online marketing should be working and how we can key into these things. Key into online marketing and be your own business owner. Yes, that's what online marketing simply means. Be your own business owner. Online marketing in this case doesn't mean you just uploading your goods and services on WhatsApp and the rest, and you begging people to come and buy. No, online marketing is way bigger than that. It is way bigger than that. That's what online marketing is. It is way bigger than that. That's just something. What happened last year? Coronavirus, COVID-19 destroyed and spoiled so many things. What happened? So many businesses started going online. They started going online. We're no longer having a store. We're not online. Whatever you want to do, just click on your phone and start doing your things on the internet. Everybody had to sit in the house for almost a year because of the virus. Do you think the world will remain the same after that? No. Businesses realize that they can't rely on offline marketing. They can't rely on the street anymore. They need to make things very, very volatile. They need to make things very, 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 very vast. Like, I don't need to open a store before someone can buy my products. I can be anywhere in the world. I can be inside my room like I am now, and someone will buy my products. That's what online marketing is. Define online marketing. Online marketing is just a simple way of selling in the internet without any limitations. That limitation, I mean, that's just what online marketing means on a layman language. Do you get me now? Now follow me through. Let me take you through this journey to the end. Just watch this video to the end. We are going. We're almost there. We're almost at the end. Now the next question here is, what do we mean by selling on the internet? What do we mean by selling on the internet? That's just one simple question I want to ask now. What do we mean by selling on the internet? It's just very simple. Selling on the internet means I don't need to sit in my shop by the streets and wait for somebody to come and buy my product. I'm not defining it, I'm explaining it. If I define it, you're not in school here. School doesn't teach you this thing. You're not in school that school will tell you to define something, cram it, and go and put it in the exam. No, I will explain it. What do we mean by selling on the internet? Selling on the internet is that I am not limited to how much I can sell. I can sell as much as possible. If I am in a store, I can only sell if somebody comes to my store and see my things and say, give me one pure water there. That is it. That is the way I can sell. Oh, okay. Some people take it to a different level. They start going on the street to hawk it. They start going walking on the street to hawk their products. I am selling pineapple, come and buy. I am selling this. That is that in that way, you are limited to what you can sell. You can only sell to people around you. Now, follow me through. When people hear sell, they think sell is demeaning. How can I be selling? How can I be selling something? Selling is not something I should be doing. Selling is for poor people. Selling for poor people. I cannot be selling. Follow me to the end of this video and you see what selling actually is. You will see what selling actually is. Selling is not for poor people. That is what society have made us think. That is the mentality society have given us. They have made us think selling is for poor people. But follow me through and I'll tell you what selling is. Selling is a way of making profits as much as you can. I have a product. I don't need to start calling people to come and buy my product. Hey, good morning. This is my product. I am selling cream. Come and buy one cream. Come and buy one cream now. No, I will simply sit in my room right here like I am now, but I am selling. I did not call anybody. I did not cajole. I did not convince anybody to buy my product, but I am selling massively. Why? Because people are not the one calling me to say, good morning. I saw this your product on the internet. How do I get it? Do you get that? I did not go to anybody. They came to me. And in that case, I can sell to anybody in the world. I can sell, if I am just in my shop, I cannot sell more than 100 pieces of a product a day. The highest I can sell if I'm in my shop is 5. But if I am on the internet, I can sell 1 million pieces of my products in a day. Very possible. That is the power of the internet. Now let's go through. Let me not talk too much about this. Let's go through. I don't want to waste too much of our time. This video shouldn't be so long. Now, okay, now this is just very simple. No business in the world does not sell. Do you know that? Do you know no business in this world does not sell? If you are a business owner and you don't sell, in fact, everybody in the world needs to know how to sell. Oh, you want to be a medical doctor, right? Okay, at the end of the day, you want to open your hospital. What do you want to do? You want to sell your service. You want to treat people. You want to offer medical services to people in exchange of money, right? That's what you are doing. You are a business. You want to start. You want to open your hospital. You want to sell. You want to treat people and get money for doing that. Now, do you think you need to sell your service? Now, in that case, you're not selling a product now. You are selling your service. You are a medical doctor. You want to sell your service to people, to treat people, in exchange for that money. That's just what that is. Everything in this world needs, everybody in this world needs to know how to sell. Everybody in this world. Oh, you are a lawyer. You think you don't need to sell? Won't you market your service so people can call you to come and help them win a case? Or how do people call you? They need your service. Or do you do it for free? No, you do it in exchange of money. What are you doing? You are selling yourself. No business in the world does not sell. Oh, what of Dangote? Dangote is the richest man in the world. Does he sell? Okay, it doesn't sell cement. It dashes off cement. Every business in the world sells. Everybody in the world needs to know how to sell. Every occupation, anything you are learning in school now, if you don't know how to sell, you will have problems. No business in the world does not sell. Or look at the richest men in the world. The richest men in the world today are marketers. Take it or leave it. The richest men in the world today are marketers. Dangote. What does Dangote do? Dangote can sell 1 million pieces of cement a day. Did you hear what I just said? Dangote will sell 1 million pieces of cement a day. What of salt? Dangote can sell 500 million pieces of salt in a day. Or what of tomatoes? What of this? What of he is selling? He is a marketer. Are you seeing this? Bill Gates. Do you know Bill Gates? Bill Gates used to be the richest man in the world. As the last 4 years was the richest man. Bill Gates is selling Microsoft. That was making him money. Do you know that was making the richest man in the world? He's selling Microsoft programs. That's what Bill Gates is selling, literally speaking. That was making millions. He's selling it. He's not dashing people. He's not what now? What? He's selling it to people to get money. Are you seeing this? Jeff Bezos. Oh, do you know Amazon? Amazon is like Jumia, but Amazon is international. Just like Jumia, just like we have Jumia, Konga, Gigi. That's how Amazon is. Amazon, what do people do on Amazon? People buy and sell. And who is the owner? Jeff Bezos. Do you think Jeff Bezos is getting money from? Yes, of course. He may have some other assets, of course. But do you know that his net worth is coming from Amazon? The biggest e-commerce space in the world, Amazon. Jeff Bezos was the richest man in the world last year. Last year, 2020, Jeff Bezos crossed $200 billion just from Amazon alone. The CEO of Amazon. $200 billion was more than his net worth. It was more than $200 billion. Elon Musk, what is he selling? Selling Tesla. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world now, today. When I'm doing this video, Elon Musk, 2021, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. He's selling Tesla, he's selling motor, he has SpaceX, he's selling a service, he's selling products, at the same time he's selling a service. What does PayPal do? PayPal is a service. PayPal is helping you get your money online and make payments online. SpaceX, he wants to launch things in the universe. He wants to send people out of the send people in the space. That's just Elon Musk. He's selling. He's a marketer. Take it or leave it. That was what he is. That is what he is, a marketer. Mark Zuckerberg, owner of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. He's selling a service. He's helping you to. He's selling you a service in exchange of your money. You are WhatsApping. You are using his service. You are using his program. is selling it to you in exchange of your money. Are you seeing this? That everybody in the world is selling. You think if I don't know, if I build the app today and I don't know how to sell the app, you think people use my app? Oh, if people don't use my app, they think I'll get money. I've not been scrolling through Facebook and then you just see an app. Okay, I've not seen Jumia app on your Facebook before. You are scrolling through Facebook or Instagram and you see Jumia app. What are they doing? They are selling Jumia to you. They want you to see that what Jumia can do and come and use their website, their program. They are selling it to you. You get what I'm saying? Now, the richest men in the world are marketers. Let's go on. Now, what do people think selling on the internet is? Oh, of course, this is very simple. That's just what the society wants us to think. How what selling on the internet looks like. What do people think selling on the internet looks like? This is what people think selling on the internet looks like. People think you have to go and hawk your products. Yes. All those people selling cream, selling this one, they'll come to your house and I have cream, come and buy one cream. It is helping you to lose weight. It is helping you to, it will make you fair in 3 days. It will do this to you. It will remove. They are going to you. They are hawking their products under the hot sun so that you can buy it. Have you ever seen Dangote on the streets before? Have you ever seen Dangote selling his product on the streets before? No. Okay. Have you ever seen they are marketers on a different level, not this level. This is the layman way of selling. In this way now, this lady selling pawpaw now, the highest she can sell is, okay, maybe say she said everything. She can only sell to people that see her product on the street, which means she can only sell, for example, now she's in Lagos, she's in Ipaja. She's in Aja now. She's in Lagos. She's in Aja. She can only sell people along where she's staying. Now, she cannot sell to someone in mainland. She cannot sell to somebody in mainland. She can only sell to people around her area in Aja there. She cannot trek to Lekki. Maybe she can trek to Lekki, but she will only sell to people that see her product on the street. And guess what? Maybe only 50 people see her. Out of the 50, 5 buy. That is it. This is how the society think. This is how the society makes us think selling on the internet is. This is what let me not put internet. This is how the society makes us think selling means. Like this. This is how the society makes us think selling is. But selling is way, way, way more than this. Way more than this. I'll now ask you, what selling on the internet actually is. This is now, let me now show you what selling on the internet actually is. Can you see what this guy is doing? Where is he? He's not in any office. So he's not in any office. Where is he? He's sitting on the couch. He's inside his room. He's in front of his laptop, his phone on his ear, a paper in his hands, crafting sales systems, trying to get customers to buy. That is what he's doing. Online marketers don't go on the street under the sun to sell. They are simply in their house, under their roof, AC blowing them, fan, AC in the room and everything, with a cup of coffee or juice beside them. They are selling. How can do you see any product beside him? Do you see any service beside him? No. His laptop is doing everything he needs to know. Everything he needs to do. He's simply doing them on his laptop. This is what online marketing is on a layman language. Sit inside your room on your bed and you are selling in bulk. Underline that, in bulk. Now, the question is, how can we sell if we don't hawk or open a store? Now, I know this may be on your mind now. This guy is just talking of selling on the internet. How can I sell on the internet? Will I gonna be uploading my things on my WhatsApp status? Or how will I sell? How will I be selling? How do I see people sell these days? They just upload that stuff on the WhatsApp status, and I'm begging people to come and buy my thing, please. How can we sell if we don't hawk or open a store? What are these things called? Yeah, these things on your screen now. They are called social media. We have Facebook, yes. We have WhatsApp, we have Messenger, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, and the rest. We have YouTube. That's one I know. That's what we know. We have there's Bing. Bing. These are called social medias. These are called social medias. Now, when you see these social media networks now, what do you think? What comes to your mind? Of course, what comes to our mind is how to upload. Yes. How to upload your fine pictures on it on the internet. That's how we see. That's what we see when we look at social media networks. That is what we simply see. How to upload our pictures. We just went to this place, ShopRite. We went to ShopRite in mainland, and we want to go and in Ikeja. I want to go and we took very nice pictures, and I want to go and show off that look at this nice pics I took today. Very beautiful. You now did it inside one motor, one nice G-Wagon, and you went to upload it on your Instagram. And people start saying that this person is living a good life. And what happens next? That person that saw it will now want to do his own. And everybody's now living on their necks. They are like this. The social media have held everybody on the neck that nobody can be real again. Everybody wants to live a fake life. This is what people see when somebody think of when somebody hear of Facebook. The only thing that comes to his mind is how to chat and how to upload fake pictures and videos and whatever, just to entertain. That's just what people see when they think of social media networks. Now, how entrepreneurs see social media? Entrepreneurs see social media as a way of making money. Why somebody there will be looking at social media and be thinking about to upload, another person is looking at social media and looking at how to make money. That's just what it is basically. Entrepreneurs want to make money with Facebook. Entrepreneurs want to make money with Facebook. Entrepreneurs want to make money with Facebook. Now, it's just like that. When we talk of how entrepreneurs see the internet, how entrepreneurs see the social media networks, it's not just about uploading your stuff on WhatsApp status. Have you heard about how these people market, how MTN markets? I would have put up these things now. I forgot. I should have put up these things. I would like to show you how much MTN, how much Airtel, how much Glo, how much Coca-Cola, how much those people spend on marketing in a year. They spend billions of dollars. I don't say naira. Coca-Cola spent $2 billion on marketing in 2020. Sorry, I'm just saying it so you won't believe me. You can do your research. Just ask Google how much the Coca-Cola, Coke and Fanta company, how much did they spend on marketing in 2020, 2021? Ask on the internet, ask Google. They spent $2 billion. How much is MTN Glo? They are spending billions of naira to market in a year. And you think they will just spend that money if it's not bringing him 100x times that money? No. We need to start making money on the internet, and selling is very perfect way of making money. Stop seeing selling as this is how you should see selling. This is how you should see selling, not like this. No, see selling like this, not like this. Please don't see selling like this. This is not what the youth should be seeing selling like. This is how you should be seeing selling like. A young man in his room making sales, selling 50 pieces of his product, each of them 10,000 naira profit, or let me say each of them 50k profit on each product is sold. 50k times 50, that is 5 million naira, if my calculation is correct, in a day. You think it's not possible you can sell 5 million, 50 pieces of a product, each of them is giving you 50k profit, and you sell 50 pieces a day? You think it's not possible? You think I have not done it before? And I'm telling you what is happening, what is very, very possible. Now, how can selling change your life? You want to know how selling change your life? You want to know how selling can change your life, don't you? How can selling change your life? Selling can change your life in ways you never know. Let me use myself as a case study. Last year, 2020, during coronavirus, I was broke. If I see like 5K in my account. By this time last year, if I see 5K in my account, I'll be very happy. I'm a big boy. Not let me see, not last year. As at this time last year, I was beginning to see like 20K in my account and 50K in my account by this time last year. But let me say by February, yes, exactly. February 2020. If I see 2K in my account, I am a big boy. Sorry about that. Excuse me. If as of last year, February, March, April, if I see 2K, 5K in my account, I will consider myself a big boy. What happened when I started selling on the internet last year ended? I would have put up my data. I don't want to. I will talk about this later. No problem anyway. I will have put up my data so you will see what I am doing with the internet. So you will see live. Let me even pull it up. Say there's no need for me to talk. Watch me as I pull up what I am doing with the internet. Let me just show you my laptop, my screen. Let me show you my screen. Sorry about this. Let me just show you. I want to show you what I'm doing with the internet. See, it won't look like this guy is just talking, just bluffing. Nothing is there. Let me show you what I'm doing with the internet. Let me show you what I'm doing with the internet. Give me a second. I'll go back. I'll be rounding up very soon. Please bear with me. I'll be rounding up very soon. This video is already taking too long. I don't want it to take too long. Just bear with me. This is my. I screenshotted this. Okay, this is my name. That is Osagi. That is me. And that's my phone number. So it will look like I'm bringing up somebody's. I'm bringing up somebody's data. This is my data. Now I cropped it. I don't want to see the product I sold. I don't want to see. I did not you. You will see the product I'm selling. I'm not talking about you. But for people that I show this, for people for time I decided to get this data. I didn't want people to see what I'm selling, but you will see what I'm selling at the end of the day. Now look at items sold. What did you see there? 410 pieces. What is the net sales? 5.5 million naira. What is the second product? 229 pieces sold. How much did that make me? 2.9 million naira. It's not this is not 1,000 naira. It's million. Now look at the next product. I've sold 112 pieces. How much was made? 6.1 million. Look at the next product. 102 pieces. How much was made? 2.7. And that one you saw 14 pieces. I was testing the product. The product was not. I want to see how the product will perform in the market. That's what I was doing with that part. That one that sold 14 pieces. When I noticed that the product is not what people want exactly, because people were complaining about the product. When someone buys it, the person will say, I don't like the way this place is. I don't know why this thing is. So I noticed that the product was not so nice that I stopped selling it. I don't want customers to complain. That's one thing. It's very important again that you give customers value. If you don't give customers value, you will not go far. I'm not telling you the truth now. Okay, let me not leave yet. Let me show you more data. This is another set of product again. Now, okay, this is another set of product again. Okay, look at here now. Look at this first product here. You can see NG kit. That's the name of the product. I won't say the name of the product here. We'll talk about that later. NG, that is the name of the product. I cut it out. Now it is 410 pieces here. Can you see what it is here? It was 38 pieces here. 38 pieces. I was just starting now. But look at what I did here. I already sold 410 pieces. You think I can sell 410 pieces if I'm in a store or if I'm doing marketing the wrong way? If I'm hawking or if I'm doing those nonsense marketing or putting on the status, you think I can sell 410 pieces in a few days? No. Now this is my data. Okay. Now this is my data. This is the net sales of what I sold from January to October. I have sold products worth 28 million naira. Now, can you see what is happening here now? Look at this data. In most cases, people want quick money. But can you see my data? At the beginning, I don't know if you can see my mouse. I hope you can see my mouse. But look at this chart. Look at this chart. Now, can you see the beginning now? I started low. I was selling small. I was going and I went up here. I sold a lot here. I went down again. I was trying to make sales. I went up again. I'm growing the business. Can you see I'm growing the business? I went down again. I was going up again. I was selling. I was going up and down. It's a curve. It's not straightforward. I am trying to break even. I'm going, I tried here, I did a lot here, I went down again. I did a lot here again, I went down. I was going. I was climbing, I was growing my business until I went to my highest peak. I sold a lot in a day. Can you see what was happening? I was growing my business. Look at the data here now. This is not me doing it in one day. I didn't do it one day. Can you see? January 1st to October 9, 2021. This is not January 1st to January 2nd. I just did it in one day. I'm not saying it's not a bed of roses. Business is not a bed of roses. Business is you grow it. You grow it to an extent that you will not even need to do any work again. Your business will be fetching you money. Can you see this? All right, let's go. Let's see more product. Okay, this is just my order net sales. Look at that. This is my order. How much I am selling on the internet in just in space of a few months. I have sold 1,256 pieces of my products. Now imagine if each product is, for example, let me say each product is giving me, let me just say small money now. Let me say each product is giving me 25k profit. Are you getting me now? Let me just say that one though. For example, each product gave me 25k pure profit minus the buyer is buying my product and the rest. I'm doing my calculator yet. 1,256 times 25,000. 25,000. That means I have sold. This my orders to be 3.1 million naira. That is if my products were 25k profit to cost. My products are not 25k profit. Not all of them. Some are below 25k, some are more than 25k. You get? So let's go on. Let me see if there's anything I can show you here again. But I did just the same data I was showing you earlier. For January to October, I have made total sales of 28 million naira in sales. My net sales is 28 million. I've sold 1,200 products. I've got 1,200 products. I've sold 1,200. This is online though. Minus the offline no. My visitors, I have had 6,000. Just leave this data first. This is the same. Well, this is the gross profit. Let me not bombard you with all these things. Let's go back to what we're doing. Let's go back quickly. So I'll start running up this video. I just want you to see how can selling change your life in the way you will not understand. In ways you will not understand. You just become a millionaire. You'll shock. Are you getting me? Let's go on. But what happens if you don't start your online business now? It's very easy. You remain broke. As easy as that. You remain where you are. If you don't start, you're 100 level and daddy and mommy is sending you money, and you come on, you call your uncle Uche, I need money for one handout to the handout is 6,000 naira, and this textbook again. Can you send me? Okay, so I cannot buy me send money. You think your uncle will send money forever? Your uncle will send you money because he's sending you money because you're in school. Leave school first and see if he will still send you money. No, leave school and see if that your uncle will still send you that money. He won't. You will not go. You will remain broke if you don't start your online business now. Or you are in 100 level, start now. Or you are in 500 level, start now. Or you are a copper, start now. Or you have graduated but you are doing one small high side hustle, start now. That is just it. You will remain broke if you don't start your online business now. You will remain broke if you don't start your online business now. But you worry about how you are going to get something to sell or which business to even start. Yes, that is just something that will come to your mind now. How will I even start my own business? What will I do? How will I even start my business? How will I start my business? That was become to your mind now. Or you have been saying sell, let us sell on the internet or sell. You are selling this. But how will I sell? I don't have any business. I don't even know how to start the business. I have no idea. I don't have anything in my mind. Nothing. I am just a student. I'm just a copper. I just graduated doing POS or some small job, some small side hustle. I don't even know what to start. I don't have anything in mind. Nothing, bros. What do I do now? You cannot help me. Don't worry at all. I've got your back. Do not worry. Don't worry. I won't only give you product. I will give you a business. Did you hear what I said? I will not only give you a product to sell. I will not only give you products to sell. I will give you a business of your own that you will manage and will pay you in different ways. It will pay you profit. It will pay you. It's not a business that will just pay you one. You don't need to pay store rent. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to pay store rent. You don't need to pay government any tax. Nothing. Just you and your business on the internet. The internet is invisible. Only you and your business on the internet. Are you getting me? Do not worry. I won't only give you products. I will give you a business. Just stay with me. We are rounding up now. But I first need to show you how this powerful business works. Now, I have showed you why you need to sell, but now you worry about what you can even sell, what will you sell, and even how to even get a business. I won't worry. Don't worry about that. I will show you how this business works. I'll be showing you that business tomorrow in our next meeting. Sorry, we are supposed to have that meeting today. It's a 2 days. I don't know if you remember. It is a 2 days challenge. It's a 2 days online. It's a 2 days meeting. The 1 and the 2. This was supposed to happen last night, but we couldn't do it last night again because of network. This was supposed to happen last night, but we couldn't do it last night again. Now we are supposed to have the second meeting this night, where I will show you the powerful business and how it works. That was supposed to have this night, but now I'm not sure we'll do it this night again because of you need to see this video first. That'll be tomorrow class. And guess what? I won't be the one showing the business. This wonderful woman will be the one showing you the business. Dr. Ononoju Ebubechukwu. She's not in Nigeria now. She's in the US. She moved out of the. Oh, that is very easy. This business was the one that sponsored her out of this country. Are you hearing me now? This business she will show you tomorrow is what sponsored her out of Nigeria. She's not in Nigeria. She's in America. She's in the US. So now she will show you this business, how it works and how you can be a millionaire and how you can grow and how you can sell products. Just don't worry. I will not want to show you so many things about the business now because she will show you everything you need to know. That will be the next video. So now, after you finish watching this video, simply let me know in the group chat. Yes, I have watched the video. I want to know about the business. Yes, I have watched the video. I want to know about, sorry. She also be in full screen. So now all I want to do, just after watching this video, just comment in the group. Yes, I have watched the video. I want to start my business now. I have watched the video. I want to start my business now. Just comment. I want to see how many people are serious. I'm watching. I am watching everything that is happening. I am seeing everybody. I am seeing people that are interested, people that are have their mind down, have their mind focused. So just engage it. Just engage it. And that is all. That will be the end of this video now. Sorry about I didn't want it to take too long. I had to cut down some things just to make the video as short as possible. But don't worry, this is not the end. We'll go, but it's going to be 2 days. So now I'll be ending the video now. You watch it and just get back with me. The video on the business opportunity, the business model will be communicated as soon as we watch this video. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your time. I so much appreciate you. I want to see you grow. I want to see you big. I want to see you hit your first $1 million. Thank you very much. And I will upload the next video after we have watched this one. All right then. Thank you very much.